Hi guys, my name is Hui. For today is another riddle that is super fun that I have found on TEDx channel called the Honeybee riddle. Imagine we are a biologist and we are on a mission to keep the honeybee called Apis trifecta from going extinct. We have found 60 bees in and you have put them in the terrarium or like a special box for them to live and not to fly out. You've constructed the appropriate size and shape of the house that you're going to get. And your next job was to help the bees fill every hex with wax. Fill every hex with wax. And after that, a special kind of bee that is okay for will become the queen bee. And if just one collapse would end the whole species. So how many kinds of hex could you make with 60 bees? Imagine that. Pause the video now if you want to figure it out for yourself. About 30 seconds or 50, just 50, I will go out and help you. So you can read information here. And this is the beehive. Yeah, so it's your turn. Time start now. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I have some seconds late. I'm sorry for that. Well, let's read about the information one more time. Bees can be placed in any hex in a hive. Bees can be placed at any hex in one hive. At a place, bee will transform a hex. If the hex neighbors at least 3 transformed hexes, the bees will transform itself too. Add a new bee to an entirely transformed hive and it will become a queen. If the hive have entirely transformed, a new bee that you added will become a queen. You cannot move the bees one their place because they're going to die. They're going to die. Like if you place the bee there, you can't take it out and place it there. This is impossible. Okay, so answer in 2, 1, go. Let's save these. What you're looking for is some kind of self-sustaining chain reaction when a small number of bees transform an entire hive. How low can we go? Let's start with the first question. Think about this small hive. If you put the bees at this directions, let's suppose how we put these bees inside. The total transform per meter has 80 sides, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 80. And when we put here, well, what happens? You can see it's the 80. And if we move there and there, it's finished. It still won't change. What's going on there? Each hex has at least 3 sides. Touching the bee-friendly space will remove those sides from the perimeter when it transforms. Then add small 3 new sides to the perimeter. So the perimeter of the transform hexes will either stay the same or shrink. The final number of the entire hive is 54. I won't count each side because that's going to take me like years. So the total perimeter there, think, must be at least 54 as well, too. Dividing that by the 6 sides of each none tells us I'll take at least 90 to transform the entire hive. That's a great start, but where can we put these bees? And if we need more or not, let's think smaller. We already know that 3 bees could completely transform a hive this big. What about a slightly bigger one? The perimeter is 30, we divide it into 6 and 5 bees. With 6 will be easy. Placing them like this will fill out the whole hive in just 3 steps. But we can do it better. We don't actually need to place a bee in this hex, since the other bees will transform that spot on their own. That's kind of cool, right? It looks like we have a pattern. Can we extend it to our hive? That means for placing our honeybees in this. Once they work, decorate the chain reaction like this, 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 and just continually repeat that connection until it's full. Add a 10th bee and it becomes a queen. Repeat that process 5 more times and you have the last 60 members of Apis trifecta. Wow, it's really fun, right? And also pretty easy. If you think it's pretty easy, then try brilliance.com. There, you can find thousands of riddles. And you can subscribe there. If you want to get a sale, go to the text channel because you're going to get so much sales on that. I'm not promoted for it. I'm still trying to find out much more about it. But see, it's a pretty fun web. So you can try it with me. It's really, really fun. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.